Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, today we are going to start part 2 of subject science, lesson number 4. Okay, so our lesson number 4 was reproduction in animals. All the 4th class student, take out your reader, that is page number 122 till where we left, and from where we need to start part 2. So before starting, let us discuss what we have learned. Like we have discussed about the reproduction method, like reproduction in mammals and the animals who give eggs, as well as the reproduction in other animals, structure of the bird egg. What was the structure of bird egg, and how the chicks and the babies come out. Okay, today let us discuss about eggs of snakes and lizard. Snakes के eggs कैसे होते हैं. Okay, snakes and lizard lay their eggs on the ground. Their eggs are protected by a shell. This shell is mostly leathery. Most of them do not look after their eggs or babies. Their eggs are hatched by warmth of the sun. So snakes के भी eggs होते हैं, but those eggs वो ground में ही होते हैं. So the eggs are protected by the shell. Every egg has a shell. So that is been protected by the shell. उसके अंदर जो babies होते हैं उनके eggs को कौन protect करता है? वो shell protect करता है. So most of the snakes, like how the other they protect their babies, but this snake doesn't protect. Snakes क्या करते हैं? अंडे देने के बाद कई snakes तो उन्हें छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. So अपने आप ही वो snake फिर बाद में shell को तोड़ के, जब वो able by the warmth of the sun, हर sun को एक heat चाहिए होती है, और वो heat से जब egg को heat बराबर मिलती है, so the baby come out. So whenever this snake egg को भी बराबर से अगर heat मिलेगी तो उसके अंदर से baby बाहर आएगा. Next is what? Eggs of fish, frog and insect. So the eggs of fish are simple, like how the other eggs कैसे होते हैं, same वैसे ही उनके भी eggs होते हैं, but उनके जो covering area है, जो उनका shell होता है, वो बहुत hard होता है. That has been made up of what? Chitin. Okay. So eggs of fish and frog do not have such a shell. Only it is covered. A covering area is called as what? Chitin. But उनका वो shell नहीं होता जैसा ऐसे shell होता है. Okay. So they fish और जो frog है, जो water animals है, वो लोग water के अंदर ही अपने अंडे देते हैं. And it is been protected by a jelly type. Have you ever seen a jelly? So वैसे ही उससे भी ज़्यादा hard jelly होती है जिसके अंदर fish के और frog के babies होते हैं. So these they also doesn't look after their babies. उनका अंडे देने के बाद वो लोग भी अपने babies को नहीं देखते. So water के अंदर ही जब वो अंडे देते हैं, in a safe place, कोई safe area में वो लोग egg देते हैं, and by naturally उसके अंदर से baby बाहर निकलता है. Okay, it does not need any warmth because water के अंदर गर्मी कहाँ से मिलेगी? जहाँ पे पानी है वहाँ पे ठंडा होगा ही. So by naturally the babies come out. So fish and frog lay their eggs in a safe water plant. Okay, plants के नजदीक जहाँ पे पानी के अंदर कोई plant है तो उसके अंदर वो लोग देते हैं, and eggs are hatched by some warmth of the sun, and they take care of the babies only for some time. Like अगर समझ लो 4 महीने में बेबी बड़ा होके बाहर आता है तो शायद 2 months वो लोग अपने बेबीज का ध्यान देंगे, बाकी के 2 months वो लोग ध्यान नहीं देंगे. So only for few months or few days they look after their babies. Okay, so everyone, चाहे कोई भी हो, सब लोग जो अंडे देते हैं ना, वो लोग कोई सेफ प्लेस में जाके देते हैं, सो दैट वो अंडों को या उनके बेबीज को कोई हार्म ना पहुंचे. नॉट ओनली हार्म, बिकॉज अंडे जो होते हैं, तो जो दूसरे एनिमल्स होते हैं वो लोग वो अंडे खाने के लिए आएंगे. ओके, दे वांट टू ईट दैट बेबीज. So in order to protect those babies from the animals, what they do, in a safe place they go and they keep the babies and they lay eggs. Next is the life cycle of a frog. You can see over here कि frog कैसे बड़ा होता है, from a egg, from and then changing its color to the tadpole and then to a frog. How does a life cycle of a frog changes? Let us see. So सबसे पहला female frog, उसका काम होता है कि वो अंडे देती है in a water. Okay, so sometimes egg develops into a free swimming tadpole. So for example, देखो यहाँ पे जो है ये frog है, frog ने अंडा दिया in the form of a jelly, which is you can see over here. Okay, एक plant में water plant की तरफ उसने अपने अंडे दे दिए. This is what jelly, small like a jelly, you can call it as a chewing gum also, a round chewing gum. So chewing gum के अंदर से you can see a black color over here. दिस इज व्हाट टैडपोल. तो ये च्युइंगम के अंदर से क्या होता है, टैडपोल निकलते हैं. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स when it comes to a bigger size, you can see a tadpole looking like a fish. Okay, it takes the shape of a fish, not exact fish, but somewhat it takes the shape of a fish. As it grows, you can find it is having 2 legs. Okay, it has what, it has 2 legs. Then again, जैसा वो adult बन जाता है, so you can see the picture of a frog. It takes the picture of exact frog with full body parts. Okay, so this is what the life cycle of a frog, and all this life cycle takes place under water only. So eggs of fish change into fry that grows into adult fish. This was the life cycle of a frog, and this is the life cycle of a fish. Eggs are there, so it grows into a fries. You can call it as a fries. Then afterwards it grows into a full fish. Okay children, this is the life cycle of fish as well as frog. So frog life cycle is simple as a diagram. You can see over here a jelly, again a tadpole, again a fish like a tadpole, then a few body parts has been grown up, and then a full body part. Okay. Next is the life cycle of an insect like cockroach and grasshopper. You can see first the eggs are being given, then afterwards that eggs of a cockroach is called as what, nymph. Okay, अंडे से जब कुछ cockroach बाहर निकलते हैं, so that is called as what, nymph. So it cannot hop and it has no wings. So sometimes it adults and shedding the old color, that is called as what, molting. So जब वो बेबी बड़ा होके पुराना बेबी का कलर को छोड़ के नया कलर लेता है, so that is called as what, molting. You can see over here. So this is the egg, and then afterwards अंडे के अंदर से कॉकरोच निकलता है, small cockroach. It takes the color of pink color cockroach. Okay. Then as it grows up, it takes this color. So this was the life cycle of a cockroach. Turn your page. Let us discuss about the life cycle of butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. How many stages? 4 stages. So first stage is what, larva, caterpillar. Next stage is what, caterpillar. Then again a pupa, and then again a butterfly, that is called as what, metamorphosis. A stage is called as what, metamorphosis. So you can see over here, first it was a larva, you can see it was a egg. Okay, then again from an egg it turns into a larva. Okay, so whenever you see a larva on a tree, so it doesn't mean that is a particular larva. You can also imagine that might be it is a part of a butterfly stage. Okay, so larva, caterpillar. Then again what happens, the caterpillar is very active and fat eating. It is very active, and whatever they want it can eat. Okay, so now after sometimes it stops eating and make a silly covering called cocoon. Okay, you can see over here. So whenever it stops covering, so it cover, जब वो खाने से बंद कर देता है, so what happens, फिर वो अपने लिए एक ऐसा covering area बनाता है which is called as what, pupa, or you can call it as also cocoon. So वो pupa के अंदर अपने आप को छुपा लेता है एक पत्ते के अंदर, that is called, you can see it is like a leaf. So वो leaf के अंदर ही अपने आप को छुपा लेता है and then उसके inside रहता है. So after that final stage is called as what, a butterfly, when the cocoon bursts. Okay, so जब ये अपने आप फट जाता है तो उसके अंदर से you can find a colorful butterfly coming out of the pupa. This is the last and the final stage which is called as what, metamorphosis. So larva of a housefly is called a maggot. Okay, housefly के larva को maggot कहते हैं, and the larva of a butterfly is called as what, caterpillar. Is that clear children? So this was a stage of a butterfly. First it was an egg जो कि एक लीफ के ऊपर ही होता है, फिर ये लीफ के ऊपर ही वो लार्वा बनता है. After that whenever he doesn't want to eat something, so it makes what, pupa, it makes a cocoon, and inside that it lives. Then after, when the cocoon bursts, when the pupa bursts, there you can find a colorful butterfly. Okay children, so this was the life cycle of a butterfly, of a frog and cockroach. So if you understand the diagram, you can easily understand the life stage also. Okay, just go through the diagram and find out that how it is changing and how many stages are there. Some has 5 stages, some has 3 stages, and some has 4 stages. Okay, so this was the different stages. Just go through the diagram, then easily you can grab the life stage of these different types of insects, animals as well as fish. Okay children, so with this we have completed our lesson and I have given you objective part which was in the reader. I hope all of you have completed. Only question answers are left. I'll give you the question answers also as soon as possible. So now your work is to read the lesson, watch my video. Unless and until if you won't read, you cannot understand my video. So it is your duty to read it and then watch my video. You can understand it very easily. And when it comes to the life cycles, life stages, so you go through the diagram. If you go through the diagram, easily you can understand. Okay, you don't need to watch the video also. Okay, just go through the diagram and then you can easily understand that how the life stages are been passing. Only thing that you need to learn the names of this, like the jelly, like a tadpole. So whatever the baby stages are there, you need to learn those names, and rest is everything is simple if you look at the diagram. Okay children, so we'll meet soon with our new lesson with the next subject. Till then, goodbye and take care.